What is avocado? The Avocado per se americana is a medium-sized evergreen tree in the laurel family Lauraceae. It is native to the Americas and was first domesticated by Mesoamerican tribes more than 5,000 years ago. Also known as an alligator pear or butterfruit, avocados are actually a type of berry. They grow in warm climates. So, what exactly are the benefits of avocados? Here's a look at what the fruit, yep, it's a fruit, can do for your gut, skin, and overall health. 14 amazing health benefits of avocado. 1. Rich in nutrients. Avocados are a source of vitamins C, E, K, and B6, as well as riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium. They also provide lutein, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids. Avocados contain high levels of healthy, beneficial fats, which can help a person between meals. Eating fat slows the breakdown of carbohydrates, which helps keep blood sugar levels stable. 2. Better than a banana. Your body needs potassium to work normally. For example, the mineral helps keeps your heartbeat steady. Most people think of bananas when they think of this nutrient, but ounce for ounce, avocados have more. 3. Protect your eyes. Avocados have lutein and zeaxanthin, which absorb light waves that can harm your vision. People who eat lots of foods rich in these antioxidants are less likely to have age-related macular degeneration. The leading cause of blindness in older adults. Most of an avocado's antioxidants are found in the darker green flesh that's closest to the peel. 4. Help you lose weight. A half cup of guacamole has about 6 grams, almost 1/4 of your daily fiber needs. Fiber helps you feel full, so you're less likely to overeat. And although avocados are high in fat, it's mainly healthy monounsaturated fat. Research has found that this type of fat in your diet can help trim your waistline. Instead of chicken salad with mayo, try chickpeas with mashed avocado. 5. Boost your mood. In a cup of avocado slices, you'll get about 118 micrograms of folate, which is almost 1/3 of what most adults need daily. People who don't get enough of this B vitamin could be more prone to depression and less likely to respond well to antidepressants. Folate also plays a role in preventing birth defects, so expectant and new mothers are encouraged to get more. 6. Power you up. These green gems are packed with a variety of other B vitamins too, including thiamine B1, riboflavin, B2, and niacin B3. These help your body convert the food you eat into energy. Avocados are especially rich in niacin, which can fight inflammation in the body and protect your arteries by improving cholesterol and triglyceride levels. 7. Good for your heart. Speaking of your blood vessels, the American Heart Association recommends that the majority of the fat you eat be unsaturated. Like you'll find in avocados, rather than the saturated fats in foods, like red meats and whole milk, dairy foods. Early research now shows that avocados in particular can also help lower bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure. 8. Save your brain. Avocados give you a good dose of vitamin E, which may help protect against Alzheimer's disease and slow decline in your memory and thinking skills. This may have to do with vitamin E's antioxidant properties. It can help fight cell damage caused over time by things like pollution and radiation from the sun. 9. Strengthen bones. On average, people eat half an avocado at a time. That gives an adult 15% of their daily vitamin K needs. This nutrient may help improve bone density and prevent fractures. Toss avocado pieces into a spinach salad with salmon, tuna, or egg for even more vitamin K, along with vitamin D, another nutrient that's essential for bone health. 10. Healthy blood sugar. Because they're low in carbs and sugar and high in healthy fat and fiber, avocados check all the boxes as far as being friendly for someone with diabetes. If you don't have it now but are worried about the future, here's some good news. Eating a plant-based diet that includes avocados could drop your chance of developing type 2 diabetes by about 20%, according to a Harvard study that tracked 100,000 people for 20 years. 11. Skincare. Whether you eat it or make it into a mask, avocado is great for your skin. Its antioxidants, like vitamin C, can help keep your skin looking youthful by smoothing out wrinkles. Avocados have oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid, also found in olive oil and nuts, that can slash the odds of breast cancer, according to a study of more than 4,000 women. And a compound in avocados called avocating B can kill leukemia cells, according to a lab study. Scientists are even looking into whether the papery husks that surround avocado pits have anything helpful. 13. Improves prostate. Beta-sitosterol, a kind of plant sterol, may help relieve symptoms of an enlarged prostate. It's part of the family of phytonutrients that help block your body from absorbing bad LDL cholesterol. Avocados have more than 4 times as much beta-sitosterol as oranges, the next richest fruit source. 14 is great for pregnant women and the unborn baby. This food is excellent for pregnant women and their unborn babies. Not only does it contain all the nutrients listed above and has those added benefits on the baby, but it is also rich in the coveted folate, which any doctor will say is essential for proper brain development in the unborn baby. When you eat half of an avocado, you receive a quarter of the amount of folate your body needs in a day. Folate also helps prevent miscarriage as well. If like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos and updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching.